After I discovered this trick, my house never had bugs again in a pan. First, I will use the peels of a garlic. We will use all the peels and parts that would be discarded. This trick is so simple that what makes it effective are things that would be thrown away. I use in all doors and windows of my house. No insect even enters more. Whenever I have visits at home and tell about this tip, everyone is surprised with the result. In a short time, I can make this mixture and helps me today. Next, I will add 100 milliliters of water and I will turn on low heat and keep until boiling water. After the water boils carefully, I will remove from the fire and with the help of a sieve, we will separate the shells and pass only the liquid to another container. Now I will use 3 tablespoons of alcohol, being an ideal item for use for its bactericidal effect. Tell me later. If you got the result you expected with this tip, do it in your home and after use. I hope you end the problems you may have with insects. Next, I will add also 3 tablespoons of detergent and we will mix well. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Beverly Wallace from Australia. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. The cost is low and ends up using not only things that you should already have in your home, but also things that would be discarded and are now being used to rid your home of insects that annoy you at all times. To help in the use of this mixture, I will put the liquid in a spray bottle. For this, I'm using a funnel to avoid waste. And after putting all the liquid, we will cap and J is ready for use. New simple trick, which really keeps all insects away from your home. Will surely be surprised by the result. This mixture is very efficient. After telling me here how it was to have your home free of insects, remembering that it is also good to use in drains and any passage that has contact with the external area of your home. And the more frequent the use of this mixture, the more effective with time it will become. On all surfaces I have problems with insects, I use this product for at least 2 times a week. And only this amount we made is enough to have used for at least a month. Only a small amount of this liquid already makes this area as an insect repellent. I hope you liked our tip today. See you in the next video. Bye.